Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm back with a brand new video. Now, day 3, daily uploading. We're at Shoppers Drug Mart. I'm with my cousin Cody right now. Just finished an Easter dinner with the family, so happy Easter, everyone. Feeling good. Ice though. You Wu-Tang shirt?
Wu-Tang? True religion.
True religion. Trues. And now. Oh! Oh, here, hold it. Okay, don't hold it up to my face, bro, like that. It's gotta be on me. Back it up more.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so I am doing a DIY Skittles vape juice. So I'm not gonna bring my camera in just because like it's super awkward here, especially like if it was in the city I'd do it, but like I know too many people who are inside. But we're gonna get some Skittles and vegetable glycerin. I mean, don't do this at home. This is just for fun. Like this is gonna wreck my vape, wreck my throat and everything. So we're gonna go in, buy some Skittles, maybe some Starburst, do 2 videos in one. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back home now, okay? Happy Easter. I already said it once, I'm gonna say it twice. Spin the camera, say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, everyone.
Okay, so I didn't get VG, vegetable glycerin, because everything is closed today. We searched like around all of town and couldn't find anything. So I'm just gonna wait for this one tomorrow with the VG. And actually no, we'll do both. Why not, right? So I got a bag of Skittles. This cost me $20 for like 2 things, which is kind of stupid. We got a blender. So we're making DIY Skittle vape juice. We need a thumbnail.
Yeah.
Should be good. Don't know why we bought so many, but a little bit of my Cookie Monster because you don't have vegetable glycerin. Yeah, this ain't gonna work like that. We're using vegetable oil. Don't do this at home. You're gonna fucking die.
No, it's the one behind it. Behind the pound. No, you just moved it. That's canola. Oh. I thought that was canola oil. There's more right there.
That's olive oil.
Oh.
Okay, so I guess we rocked in vegetable oil. Don't do this at home. This is gonna be absolutely disgusting. But we gotta get it liquidy. Okay, let's hit it on the magic bullet.
You need more in there, bro.
No.
Yeah, you need to like flood it. You can't. Like a bit more, like a quarter full.
Should be good.
Now you're getting somewhere.
Now I gotta buy my parents new vegetable oil because we're gonna end up using a whole bottle.
That's okay.
That looks better. This is good stuff.
Oh. Final product.
Okay.
Oh.
Doesn't look too bad. Okay. Oh, bruv. Bruv. Oh, bruv. I can't even taste Skittle.
Oh, it smells gross.
I'm not inhaling into my lungs because I'm not putting canola oil or fucking olive oil into my lungs. I could kind of taste Skittle, not gonna lie. But if we drop a Skittle in there, might need to drip some more. Drip a bit more. It's kind of chunky, like really chunky. I probably could have made this better.
Oh.
Probably could have made this better.
Close up.
Oh. I probably could have extracted the chunkiness out of here, but don't got the time for it. No, no, bro, that's so gross. That's wrong. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy. Smash a like on this video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video because I am dropping a Starburst video. Same exact way we just did this now. So thank you guys so much. Make you subscribe if you guys are new. Shout out Cody for videotaping, and happy Easter, guys. Drop comments down below. Peace.